Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we are going to make nice Paneer onion bajji burger. This burger is an award-winning burger. Actually, I was a little bit confused, but it was done in UK, and it's because of large Indian community there. Instead of giving chips, they gave the onion pakoda, and this burger was extremely tasty, and I wanted to make the vegetarian version of it. For this vegetarian version, I am going to take some mixed vegetables chopped, and in this, for the binding, all I have done is I have taken boiled potato. This boiled potato I have grated and kept it, and in this we are going to add the cheese, the Indian cheese, the paneer. All you do is just make it into small pieces like this and add it. With every bite you get the piece of paneer, and this is going to be very tasty. And any of the burgers kids love, and especially even a grown up like me, I love burger once in a while, and especially when it is homemade, because homemade burgers are the real burgers. We are going to add a little bit of salt. We are going to add some chilli flakes. I am going to spice it up. I am going to add some more finely chopped green chilli, some ginger and garlic. There is no hard and fast rule that you got to use this, but I find this combination to be good. And always add freshly chopped ginger garlic, not the store bought ginger garlic paste. In this, add a little bit of garam masala. That's it. Mix all of these ingredients, and in this you can also add some chopped coriander. Make sure you taste it. Wow, it's good. But when you apply the crunch on top with the panko breads, this is going to be super tasty. Make it to the patty size you want. I am going to make this into a nice patty, which we are going to coat it with the breadcrumbs and fry. When this is ready, we are going to carefully give it a nice patty shape. On the edges, take the help of your fingers, and the patty is nice and ready. Full paneer, full flavor vegetarian patty. Now we are going to make a batter with chickpea flour, that is the besan, all-purpose flour, that is maida, a little bit of salt. We are going to add water. First we are going to make this into a thick paste, and all the lumps will disappear when you make it into a paste. With this, first we are going to coat our paneer patty. We have the patty ready. Just make sure you coat it, and very carefully you are going to apply this mixture. So look at the way, because the batter is thick, this can break. Very carefully coat it on the other side. Now turn it to the other side and do the same thing. You have to be careful when you do this, so that this doesn't break off. You have nicely coated. We are going to put this in the breadcrumb. Here is the breadcrumb. Even if this is breaking, we are going to just do a little bit of trick. Turn it to the other side. Once again, just press it and make this nicely coated. When this is ready, we are going to fry this. Take it and put it on a sheet, and then once again give it a nice shape so it doesn't break in the oil. Ready to go and deep fry. The patty is all ready. Just slide it into the oil. Fry on both sides till this is nice and golden. Transfer it onto the other side. Fry till it is nice and golden. The onions, what we are going to use for the bajji. So just put those roundels. Once the burger is nicely fried, in the same oil we will fry the bajji also. In this I am going to add a little bit of jeera. To get little bit of aeration, I am going to add pinch of soda. Not much, pinch, and mix all of this, and this will be super ready. Bring them together, all the onions, drop them into one little space, and you will have this beautiful onion pakoda ready in no time. Your bajjis will come out nice, and they will be super tasty. Inside, the onion which is fried has a special taste. That's why we Indians love this onion bajji. Once you have this onions bajji ready, so let's fix the burger by just putting some butter on the bun and just cooking it. The best trick I love is adding a little bit of butter onto the patty, just giving this nice color. What it does is it kind of refreshes the bread, and the bread will almost taste as if it's freshly baked. Look at the bread. When it is nicely kind of toasted, it looks fantastic. Now on this you want to put some lettuce, add some mayo, some ketchup. Nice full flavors will be at the bottom. I am going to add a little bit of mustard sauce. You can also add tomato, cucumber, put the paneer patty on top of this, put a slice of cheese. We're going to add ketchup drippings at the edges, so just so that it looks good for me. My onion crispy crunchy patties, and here when you take a bite, put it on top and take the crunch. This is one awesome burger. I'm telling you, first time I saw it, I was like, oh, onions, yes. Especially on the meat burgers and all that, onion goes excellent. Even with the vegetarian burgers, it will go so good. You got to try this awesome vegetable paneer burger, of course, along with that extra cheese and this nice crunchy onion bhaji, and it will be super tasty. Dear friends, when you make the awesome burgers, you're going to enjoy. The size is big and the taste is super awesome. All I tell you, friends, when you make the best of the best food at home, you got to say vareva. And with every bite, so juicy, so awesome. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session, and keep cooking, eat best of the best food, and keep saying vareva. Thank you. See you in another session. Till then, bye bye, Kudafis. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Money.